Lori with Team Cashy. I'm here today at 8135 Indigo Ridge Terrace. Our newest listing just came on the market in the gated community of University Place. When you walk in the front door, you've got your guest bedroom, full bath linen closet right there. And you come back to what could be a third bedroom, more likely an office space or den with double French doors. When you walk out into the main living area, you've got these vaulted ceilings about 14 feet high in here, so it gives it like a really spacious feeling. Master bedroom is off to your left back there. Has a separate door to the pavered Lanai. Kitchen is over here to your right. Tons of countertops. You even have this cool little like workspace in there, which I think is really nice. There is an updated Train air conditioner in here. An additional living area in the back to be used however you wish. These guys put an extra dining table in here, an extra living area. I could see this being used as an office or a gaming center. The paver line back here is really cute. It's got extra covered area for your furniture. University Place. Oh, and let me mention that these doors totally pocket back, so that's like really a cool feature. $99 a month is the HOA here. Awesome neighborhood, hurricane shutters. Next favorite thing about the house is this additional patio back here and the amazing views you get from the largest lake in University Place. 525, give us a call.